Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If your Barclays app is not working, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my steps. First, check the server status of the bank. Go to the official website of the Barclays or third party like Down Detector, and you can see the server status of the bank. If no issue found in the server, then second solution is long press on the app and go to the app info and then force stop the app and close the tab, close all the tab and again login. When you are logging, the login credential should be correct. After doing this step, if it is not working, then next is again go to the app info and go to the storage and cache. Now clear the cache and clear the storage also and check the problem. If it persists, then next solution is check the location permissions. For this, again go to the app info and go to the permissions and check the locations allow or not. If it is not allow, then allow it and check the problem. If it persists, then last solution is contact Barclays customer support for further assistance. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.